Total gain 76%. Welcome to the channel. Today, we are introducing a brand new powerful trading robot called FundedNext Quantum. The yield was $799, but you can grab it today for only $59. This trading robot is specifically made for the any pairs. On the M5, M15, and H1 timeframe. A minimum balance of $1,000 is needed to use this EA. You will receive ready-to-use preset files, making setup quick and beginner-friendly. Plus, you'll enjoy lifetime updates without paying any extra fees. Now it's time to see the EA's live performance. This EA achieved a total gain of 76%. While maintaining a low drawdown of just 3%. This EA maintains a 73% win rate. Now, let's open MetaTrader to set up and start the EA. In Inputs, you can adjust these settings to match your trading style. The EA is set and ready to trade. Check out our website for full information Smart EA Store. We appreciate you watching our video.